This is a review of the CASEKOO Deep Blue Glossy iPhone 17 Pro Max case that has a 360 spin magnetic stand with the MagSafe charger that I'm going to be doing a review and also a demo test on this product. And without going further, we're going to unbox this, show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there, we are going to test this product out to see whether or not if this case is worth it for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything that comes with this package. You can see here, it comes with a pair of stickers. These stickers are pretty much, if you want, you can put on your laptop, you can put on your iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is, a huge plus for them for providing these cool stickers. But let's get to the main thing, is this iPhone 17 Pro Max in a clear case in deep blue gloss finish that I'm going to be showing you guys in detail about. Now, one of the first few things I do want to talk about this case cover in particular is that it's a clear, a see-through case right over here. So you can see how, the color of your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you have a deep blue, it's going to show a deep blue. If you have a cosmic orange, it's going to show you a cosmic orange. And not only that, but CASEKOO does have different color options as well too, depending on what color of your iPhone is. So obviously I opted with the deep blue because that's what the color of my iPhone is. But now I want to show you guys a little bit more in detail about this case and why this is probably the best case to get for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, one of the main things I want to show you guys is it offers a magnetic stand. So this is a 360-degree magnetic stand. So pretty much you just, take this thing out like that, you fold it up, then you can pretty much lay it like that, which I'll show you guys once I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max on this case. But not only that, but it also says that it's a pretty much a certified military protection. So what that means is that depending on how high your iPhone 17 Pro Max falls down, it will protect it from getting damaged, which is, a huge plus and something very important to have, especially for your brand new iPhone, because you don't want it to pretty much get damaged if it falls down. Depending on how high the fall is, it will most likely protect it from getting damaged. Now, not only that, but I also do love the fact that it offers lens protection on your lens as well too. So it has, a little bit of, protection right over here towards your lens of your camera of your iPhone. And yeah, now without going further, I'm going to pretty much put this on my iPhone 17 Pro Max and pretty much test this product out and see how it is once I have it on it. Okay, so this is the finished results for the iPhone 17 Pro Max clear case covering deep blue gloss finish. And right here, you can see how beautiful this looks like. And it's pretty much a see-through color. You can see here, this, pretty much a little fingerprints, because it's a clear case. So you'll have fingerprints, obviously. But just by looking at it, I do love the fact that you can see my deep blue color finish for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. You can see it, right from here, you can see how it looks like. And not just that, but the MagSafe, you could pretty much charge it up like that too. So it'll snap on with the magnetic. So if you have a magnetic MagSafe, it'll charge up and just snap on like that. But just by looking at it, it looks absolutely, improve the aesthetic looks of it. By far, this is by far my most favorite iPhone 17 Pro Max, case cover that you could get. And really is probably one of the best ones out of everything. And right from here, not just that, but you can see from the edges on the sides, if I, move this up, you can see the deep blue finish on the sides looks absolutely beautiful. Like, it matches exactly with my iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue. They really did a great job on, the way how it looks like is absolutely amazing. So when I turn it on just like that, you can see here, this is the 6.9 inches, display for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And overall, if you are looking for a iPhone 17 Pro Max case for your deep blue, or if you have a iPhone 17 Pro Max in a cosmic orange or pretty much any other color, then this one's by far one of the best cases you could get from CASEKOO because of the fact it has different color options. And not just that, but it also has the magnetic stand, which I'll show you guys. So you could have it horizontal. So for example, if I have it like this, you could have it horizontal just like that. Or if you want, you could have it vertical just like this as well too. So if you're watching a movie, you could do it just like that. But yeah, this is by far one of the best iPhone 17 Pro Max, cases that you could get because it offers some military grade protection. It aesthetically looks good and improved the look of my iPhone 17 Pro Max. And the best part is about, you can see the deep blue finish on the back side of it, MagSafe charger. This is probably one of the best cases you could get from CASEKOO, and I would definitely recommend this product. And, by far my most favorite cases for my iPhone 17 Pro Max.